accelerates down the runway to reach 120 knots in less than 1,500 feet. The pilot rotates approximately 30 degrees nose up to climb to 500 feet, demonstrating the excellent takeoff and climb performance, and showing also the capability to clear obstacles and ridges. Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen, lights on. In front of you, this navi turn highlights its incredible turning capability. We're talking about 60 degrees increasing speed from the left to the right to perform another breathtaking maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go, the looping. Pulling back the console stick to climb up to 3700 feet, perfectly drawing a new vertical circle. This is a 3G factor maneuver, ending with a wide left turn at 200 knots, which is the speed. To the Italian Air Force with a relative logistic support. From the boss pointing the crowd, the Spartan gains altitude for performing a mix of two common aerobatics maneuver, half a looping and a quarter of a double leap. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we call the ribbon. Starting with 250 nose speed, 60 degrees nose up. Once at the top, right roll and exit at 45 degrees in the opposite direction. This maneuver is performed undergoing the screw to a stress of 2.7 G factor. The Alenia C-27J Spartan is the only cargo aircraft in the world capable to perform aerobatics like this, and we're also proud for having just been awarded for the second time at the Royal International Tattoo in Fairford in UK. For ramp and cargo door fully open, the aircraft is now flying at the lowest possible speed, only 100 knots, ladies and gentlemen. Try to imagine right now paratroopers like being dropped down from the backside of the Spartan for a tactical operation. You have to know that the Spartan can airlift 9 tons of material, including vehicles, as well as injured personnel with medical stuff and equipment. Modern cockpit and outstanding avionics, capable of autonomous operation from and to unprepared remote fields. Roll under, ladies and gentlemen, in front of us. As you can see, the roll under as well, the John Gary turn allows the crew to make a very quick change of direction to enter in the final phase of the Spartan demo program. Another opportunity during this display to have a glance of the 22-feet wingspan of the Spartan from the Italian Flight Center is offered by the next flight past, the so-called knife edge past. Try to figure out that in this moment the co-pilot sitting on the right is literally hung on the handles, while the commander is keeping under control speed and pitching down 35 degrees with a 95 knot speed and towards the runway. The Spartan is kept under control with the rudder while descending 9,000 feet per minute, impressively swooping down until gently touching the ground and stop in less than 300 meters. The C-27J Spartan can also be back in the reverse mode, so demonstrating its excellent ground control capabilities.